If you are still flying a drone that requires a heavy registration sticker or limits you to 30-minute bursts of flight, you are officially behind the curve. The rules of aerial cinematography just fundamentally shifted. I am holding the internal factory blueprints for the new DJI Mini 6 Pro, and what DJI has managed to pack into this sub-250-gram chassis is not just an upgrade, it is a complete reimagining of what a portable drone can do. We are talking about a 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor, mechanical variable aperture, and a battery technology that pushes flight time to a staggering 60 minutes. If you have been waiting to pull the trigger on a new drone, freeze. Do not buy anything until you see what is actually inside this shell. The industry has been obsessed with the 249-gram threshold for years. It is the golden number for aviation laws worldwide, but it has historically forced a trade-off. You either get portability or you get professional-grade image quality. That wall just came down. The upcoming Mini 6 Pro leverages a proprietary, high-density solid-state battery chemistry. By optimizing the weight of the frame and utilizing next-gen energy density, DJI has bypassed the 40-minute barrier that has plagued the Mini series for generations, hitting a full hour of flight time. Imagine the implication for professional workflows. You are no longer swapping batteries mid-shoot or racing against a countdown timer. You are capturing entire long-form sequences in a single flight. This is the first time a drone of this size offers true industrial-grade endurance. But the battery is just the power source. The real story is how the camera handles the light. The leaks confirm the integration of the new 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. This is not the sensor from the previous generation. It is a refined architecture specifically designed for the lower light performance required by high-end creators. When you pair that sensor with a true mechanical variable aperture, switching fluidly from f1.8 for those creamy, shallow depth of field cinematic shots, all the way to f11 for sharp, deep focus landscape work, you effectively eliminate the need for a constant rotation of ND filters in changing environments. For a solo filmmaker or a travel photographer, this is the holy grail. It means you can dial in your shutter speed, keep your motion blur natural, and control your exposure without touching the lens physically while the drone is in the air. Let's talk about transmission and intelligence, because a powerful camera is useless if you lose the feed. The Mini 6 Pro is shipping with the O5 transmission engine. We have seen O4 evolve, but O5 represents a massive jump in bandwidth and latency stability, especially in cluttered urban environments where signal interference usually kills the shot. Furthermore, DJI has introduced an omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR system. Most drones struggle with depth perception in low light, often disabling obstacle avoidance entirely. Not this one. By using active laser-based ranging, the Mini 6 Pro can map its surroundings in near-total darkness. It is effectively seeing the world in 3D, allowing for collision-free flight in conditions where every other drone would be grounded. This is the feature that changes the drone from a hobbyist toy into a legitimate professional tool. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this going to bypass aviation laws? DJI is positioning this as a compliant tool, but they are pushing the edge of what physics allows in a sub-249-gram package. The weight-to-performance ratio is unprecedented. There is a reason internal factory reports suggest this will be their most successful launch in 5 years. They are targeting the intersection of the budget-conscious enthusiast and the high-end production house. You are getting the image quality of a Mavic 3, but in a size that fits in your jacket pocket. The sheer engineering efficiency here is what makes the competition look like they are working with last decade's technology. The release window is tightening. All logistics signs point to a major push before the end of the year, with pre-orders expected to go live as soon as the final certification hits. We have tracked the supply chain, and the production numbers for the Titan sensor module are massive, indicating a wide-scale global rollout. DJI is clearly not holding back stock for this one. They are ready to saturate the market. If you are a creator who has been waiting for the one drone that does everything, this is it. It has the endurance of a heavy lifter, the image quality of a cinema camera, and the portability of a smartphone. The landscape of aerial content is about to become more competitive, more detailed, and significantly more professional. Everyone with a Mini 6 Pro is going to have the same technical capabilities as a high-budget film crew. The differentiator will no longer be your gear. It will be your composition, your movement, and your eye. We are going to see a massive influx of 6K, 60 FPS footage flooding social media, and honestly, the quality bar for viral content is about to skyrocket. Are you ready for that? Because if you are still capturing 4K 30, this is going to be your wake-up call. I have spent the last few weeks digging through the blueprints to ensure these details are accurate. And what stands out isn't just the spec sheet. It is the maturity of the platform. DJI has stopped experimenting with the Mini series. They have moved into a phase of perfection. Every component, from the O5 antenna array to the heat-dissipating housing of the sensor, is built for reliability. This isn't just a drone you buy for a trip. It is a drone you build a career on. The integration of high-speed internal processing allows for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles to be processed in real time, meaning you get massive dynamic range without the heavy computational overhead that usually slows down older hardware. You are getting professional post-production flexibility in a package that weighs less than a standard cup of coffee. What we are seeing is a fundamental shift in the economics of content creation. Previously, to achieve this level of quality, you would need to invest thousands into cinema-grade drones that required specialized transport cases and complex setups. The Mini 6 Pro democratizes that power. It places a studio-quality cinema rig into the hands of someone who is hiking, traveling, or working on a tight deadline. This is not a slight improvement. It is a disruption. DJI understands that their core audience is no longer just hobbyists. Their audience is professional content creators who demand speed, reliability, and extreme portability. By solving the battery limitation and the low-light sensor limitation in one product, they have effectively removed the last two barriers, preventing people from choosing the Mini series as their primary camera. As we move toward the official release date, it is clear that the market is about to be reshaped. When you combine the extended flight time, the advanced LiDAR safety features, and the high-end optics, you are not just getting a flying camera. You are getting a tool that can reliably handle high-pressure professional environments. For those who rely on aerial shots to pay their bills, the question is not whether this is worth the upgrade, but how quickly they can integrate it into their existing workflow. The data suggests that this hardware will become the new industry standard for professional solo shooters by the end of the year. Keep a close eye on the pre-order windows, because the production demand for this particular model is expected to outpace current supply projections. You are watching the future of the industry take flight. Ultimately, this drone provides the perfect fusion of power, precision, and pure portability, setting an impossible standard for every other manufacturer to chase for years to come.